Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Plan and Teach. We will discuss stages of child development. This video is helpful for PRT, TGT and NTT as well. So let's start. Stages of development पढ़ने से पहले कुछ बातें जान लें. First, development proceeds through stages, and second, each stage is different from others. For example, will a 1-year-old child becomes 14-year-old in no time? क्या 1 साल का बच्चा कुछ ही पल में 14 साल का युवा हो सकता है? No. Hence, development proceeds through stages. विकास चरणों में होता है. So, first stage is infancy, शैशवावस्था, age 0 to 1 year. A child from birth to 1 year is known as infant. And a child from birth to 14 days is known as neonates, Navjat Shishu, or we can say newborn child. When child is born, he or she is 20 inches long and approximately 2.5 to 3 kg in weight and have odd body proportion, that is big head and small body. Physical development rises during infancy. शैशवावस्था में बच्चों का शारीरिक विकास तेजी से होता है. Infants are totally dependent on their mother or caregiver for survival. Very important point. कौन सी अवस्था या स्टेज में चाइल्ड केयर गिवर या मदर पर टोटली डिपेंडेंट होता है? It's in infancy. After infancy, the next stage is toddlerhood, also known as toy age. Age 1 to 3 years. Child is mobile and partially dependent on mother or caregiver. Began to establish sense of independence. For example, at this stage child want to dress by themselves. It's like मम्मी मैं खुद कपड़े पहनूंगा. Physical growth slows down and enhancement in language development. Children at this stage develop certain skills like walking, speaking one word sentence, identifying body parts and discriminating shapes, so on. Preschool period, also known as pre-gang age 3 to 6 years. Children refine the skills they have learned. बच्चों ने जो कौशल सीखे हैं उसमें वे सुधार करते हैं. Becomes social being, सोशली डेवलप करते हैं. Because in this stage child starts going to preschool and starts interacting with peers and teachers. Children are curious at this stage and have short attention span. Playway method and storytelling plays important role to keep child engaged. They learn by watching others and then imitating or modeling. Now skills develop. Remember, आपने ट्रेनिंग के टाइम पे बच्चों से क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज़ कराई थी. They can do coloring, able to use scissor. You have seen this in activities like cut and paste, hopping and jumping. Outdoor activities helpful in this skill development. Then school readiness and in last toilet training. School age, also known as gang age or period of latency, age 6 to 12 years. Gang age because friends are important at this stage. Children makes many friends. Period of latency because rate of development slows down at this stage. Child starts going to a formal school / mainstream school, enjoys many activities and stays busy. Also known as troublesome age. अब फ्रेंड्स हैं तो फ्रेंड के साथ शैतानी भी होगी. That's why troublesome age. Skills develop. Child at this stage understand concept of numbers, enjoys reading, can tell direction left or right, and can copy complex shapes such as diamond. Adolescence, also known as transition stage, age 12 to 18 years. Adolescence is a transition between childhood and adulthood. Growth and development rapid during this stage. Certain changes in body leads to anxiety. That's why it is also known as stress and storm stage. Hormonal changes takes place and puberty starts, the period during which adolescents reach sexual maturity and becomes capable of reproduction. Spends more time with friends. Conflicts and arguments with parents are common at this stage. Faces adjustment problems. They are confused about their identities, therefore, this stage is known as identity crisis. The next stage is adulthood age, 18 to 25 years. But there is no need to study about that. Next video will be on prenatal development and care, प्रसव पूर्व विकास और देखभाल. I hope you all like this video. So don't forget to like and share, and please support because this is my new channel. Subscribe for more videos to my channel Plan and Teach, and check out things given in description box. Thank you.